Hi there, my name's Tyler Jones. I'm the product manager for Fisher Engineering. We're based out of Rockland, Maine, and we've been well known for truck-mounted snow and ice control equipment since 1948. What I want to talk about today, though, is the industry trend that we're seeing now where snow and ice control contractors are looking outside of the truck. As a result, we've put more focus into developing non-truck mounted snow and ice control equipment. Such as this example here, the XRS. This is a plow that will mount onto skid steer, loader, tractor equipment. The biggest thing with the non-truck mounted equipment is it offers a lot more efficiency with the movement and operation, easier to staff, and even easier to maintain. On this plow you can see it's very basic. We don't have complicated electric hydraulics. This interfaces directly with the machine and uses simple operation for complete control of snow. Some of the features that are really common within this segment are things like oscillating attachments. That's going to help improve efficiency for better scraping and even cutting edge wear. You're seeing a lot of wing technology in general, where operators are looking to maneuver snow around more efficiently. This example, the XRS, has these spring-loaded wings. When you angle the plow, it automatically opens a wing. And if you envision something like a doctor's office, housing authority, where you're plowing during the event, you've got cars moving around, you want maneuverability, and you want to be able to maintain control of the snow and put it in designated areas. We haven't just done the plows, though. Every product development, to one extent or another, that we're working through as of late does have a non-truck mounted agenda embedded into it. Tailgate spreaders were always really born and bred to be truck mounted. However, with a lot more tractors, ATVs, different ride-on equipment being utilized for sidewalk management, we found opportunities to graft and modify some of our tailgate products to apply onto that equipment. This 525 tailgate spreader, it's a two-stage, so that'll spread sand, salt, basically any de-icing aggregate. And the attachment is unique in that it can be converted from a 2-inch receiver style to a 3-point tractor mount. And the same goes for the 900. This attachment is specifically for 3-point hitch mount, so small tractors or really anything with a 2-inch trailer hitch style receiver. So if you did have a UTV tractor with a 2-inch style hitch, you could use the standard 2-inch receiver. What non-truck snow and ice contractors are looking for, again, is more efficient operation. Here again, easier staffing because we've got the technology in the product to do more of the fine work for the operator. And a good example of that is the steel cutting edge on the new Storm Box. What that means is single pass, single operation, you're going to be scraping down to bare pavement. Rubber edge pushers can have a tendency of leaving hard pack, ice, slush, sheen on the surface, which can refreeze and require secondary and even third operations to go back and get cleaned up. So this features a center punched steel cutting edge, hardened steel cutting edge, and also has adjustable extension springs, which is a first for Fisher. The extension springs help maintain sufficient ground pressure, again, so you can ensure that your operator is going to have an easy time achieving optimal results. Back drag edges are very common now on all products really, but especially the pushers. Instead of having an additional staff member around to pull snow away from doors, cart corrals, things like that, with a back drag edge, you're able to be much more precise and do the job more thoroughly. This particular unit is unique because we have configurable attachments. So that's going to make it easier for kind of morphing this product from one piece of equipment to another, allow you to adapt your fleet and your preference based on the need. Steel edge model is available in 8 and 10 foot, but as you can see here, it can be put on anything with a bucket, the compact wheel loader attachment, the tractor attachment. For some unique implement styles for tractors, and then the universal plate attachment common on skid steers. Even within our non-truck mounted snow and ice control equipment, we try to segment the space with different levels of offering, different price points, different feature contents. This is our base tailgate spreader. It's a single stage, does pelletized material, calcium flake, and bulk salt very well. It's not configured for sand, but this is a very low cost, self-contained unit. This particular one is awesome because it utilizes a wireless controller, very user-friendly, and it requires no installation on the vehicle. You can see here this unit is powered off of a standard 7-wire trailer lighting connector. And the reason it's so important for segmenting within our own space and in non-truck is that some people will start with just purely plowing snow and kind of work their way into different contract opportunities with de-icing and other functions of the business, sidewalk maintenance, etc. So this is again a low-cost entry-level point where our customers can kind of grow with the business and the equipment can grow with them. Shovels, one of the things too, it doesn't mount to a truck. This is an area that we're paying more attention to as well, is the smaller items that snow and ice control contractors need. Things like walk-behind sprayers, walk-behind spreaders, shovels, driveway stakes, trying to really fill in those small gaps. This is our Trailblazer UTV V-plow. We offer a UTV plow in both straight and V-plow. In this segment, we're really looking for a full feature. This is a fully hydraulic trip edge plow, and it's more of the high-end point for UTV applications. Really, there's two target audiences, if you will, for this product. Fisher has a really strong homeowner base. Here again, offering non-truck mounted product allows people to take care of their own snow removal at their home in the absence of having a pickup truck. And we're seeing a lot of consumers do that. The other application for this, though, is sidewalk management. It's a huge income opportunity for contractors. And it's not an easy area to be successful. Again, staffing is a challenge, especially for a task that involves long hours on your feet in the cold. This really takes a lot of that anguish out of the job. Putting operators in a heated cab, in a piece of equipment. It's again a very efficient, robust tool. So they're not going to be dealing with a lot of breakdowns, and that's opposed to a lighter duty like a winch operated ATV plow. You're not putting them out into circumstances where they're likely to succeed and be efficient.